This is Elena Sunglory with you. Nowadays, durable consumable goods are very popular in India, Bangladesh, Vietnam, Indonesia, Egypt, Algeria, Turkey, Russia. If you want to start a new business in setting factory for small home appliance, we are your best project partner. Most of our customers can cover their investment within 6 to 12 months or 18 to 24 months. Semi-automatic production faces high labor costs and lower efficiency. Automation is rapidly becoming the new trend in appliance manufacturing. 7 service centers are supporting daily production for more than 410 customers in 30 countries. We expanded A to Z production solution of small home appliances, especially in OTG, air fryer, electrical kettle and mixing jar, sandwich maker, rice cooker, those household items. We have set up 200 production lines A to Z all over the world, including 15 non-stick cookware factories in the past 4 years. 84 of our customers are number 1 in their segment markets, including JB Cookware, Hamilton, Arfel, Watson, Hawkins, Slowcraft, etc.
This is our factory director, Engineer Tang. Engineer Tang has more than 30 years in powder and non-stick coating line. He has set up coating plant in Egypt, Vietnam, Philippines, and Bangladesh. Our engineer will design the non-stick cookware production line according to our client's requirement.
Call us, set up your own factory, run automation, win more market.